Hello students, good morning. I am NK Jha from APS. The running topic is the sniper, and we are reading and understanding the theme of the sniper, and almost it is described by me, and today the chapter and the topic will be finished. So, according to theme, according to text, you will have to describe the question answer. It's very important, and check yourself how much you have understood the theme of the sniper. So let us start. When the sniper reached the laneway on the street level, he felt a sudden curiosity as to the identify of the enemy. स्नाइपर जैसे ही लेन में पहुंचा, स्ट्रीट में पहुंचा कि अचानक उसने महसूस किया क्यूरियोसिटी एज टू द आइडेंटिफाई और ट्राई टू आइडेंटिफाई ऑफ द एनिमी का आइडेंटिफाई करना चाहा ऑफ द एनिमी स्नाइपर हु इज दिस स्नाइपर हुम ही हैड किल्ड, जिसको मारा हुआ था। कौन? रिपब्लिकन स्नाइपर ने। ही डिसाइडेड दैट ही वॉज अ गुड शॉट। He was confirmed that he was a good shot, whoever he was, जो भी था। He wondered, did he know him? Perhaps he had been in his own company before the split in the army. He decided to risk going over to have a look at him. He peered around the corner into ओ'कॉनेल स्ट्रीट के कॉर्नर के पास वो देखा, झांकने लगा। इन द अपर पार्ट ऑफ द स्ट्रीट देयर वाज हेवी फायरिंग। अपर पार्ट में बहुत ज़्यादा फायरिंग हो रही थी, बट अराउंड हियर ऑल वाज क्वाइट। लेकिन यहाँ सब कुछ शांत था। The sniper darted across the street. A machine gun tore up the ground around him with a hail of bullets, but he escaped. He threw himself face downward beside the corpse. The machine gun stopped. The machine gun tore up the ground around him. उसके इर्द गिर्द जो है मशीन गन की आवाज़ गूंज रही थी। विद अ हेल ऑफ बुलेट्स बट ही एस्केप्ड, लेकिन वह भाग गया। ही थ्रू हिमसेल्फ फेस डाउनवर्ड बिसाइड द कॉर्प्स मीन्स डेड बॉडी। द मशीन गन स्टॉप, और मशीन गन क्या हो गया? स्टॉप हो गया। देन जैसे ही वो अपने आप को उस कॉर्प्स के सामने ढकेला, झुकाया, मशीन गन स्टॉप हो गया। देन द स्नाइपर टर्न ओवर द डेड बॉडी, और फिर स्नाइपर ने जो शॉट किए थे, जो एनिमीज को मारे थे, उसके बॉडी को टर्न किया, मतलब घुमाया। एंड लुक्ड इनटू हिज ब्रदर्स फेस, और उसे क्या दिखाई दिया कि उसने जिस स्नाइपर को मारा वह स्नाइपर उसका भाई था। दैट मीन्स उसने अपने ही भाई को गोली मार दिया। ओके, मतलब जान से मार दिया। सो दिस इज द वायलेंस एंड द स्टोरी गिव्स अस मैसेज। इट इज द किलिंग ऑफ ह्यूमैनिटी So through that story we can understand the situation between the two snipers, and it is very regret because the first sniper is shot dead to his brothers. So through this story we can write and express our views. So firstly you will have to write summary, that means theme of the sniper. Understand? Now comprehension, this is your work because chapter is finished. Answer these following questions, very important. Describe the Republican sniper as he lay in hiding on the rooftop. रिपब्लिकन स्नाइपर को का जो है सो रूफटॉप के ऊपर छुपने या रहने के स्थिति को हमको क्या करना है, कंडीशन को डिस्क्राइब करना है. Why do you think the narrator chose not to give the main character a name, and how is the sniper's life threatened? किस तरह से स्नाइपर की लाइफ जो है सो threatened है. What risk does the sniper decide to take after killing the enemy? So all these questions you have to describe. Now number B, read the lines and answer the question. These kinds of questions are very important because some lining is given, and through the idea of lines, from lines you can describe that particular line, just like A, B, C, D, just like who has been described in the above lines and where is the person at this point of time. These kinds of question is called 3 types question. So this is also your homework. A lot of 4 lines are given, and you should write it. And big questions here, 2 questions. Discuss the main character, the sniper. You may describe him as a victim of circumstances, talk about his changed perspective and the harsh reality he faces at the end of the story. And identify and use one example from the story for each of the following kinds of conflict: woman versus woman, woman versus himself, herself, and woman versus circumstances. And according to you, you have to choose. You have to choose. But the point is related and taken from chapter The Sniper. Theme should be related from our text. So according to that criteria you will have to express. Now the next page, number 7, language in use, articles, and you have studied in determiners. The chapter articles, and through that you can understand better and better. And the definite article is given here, and you have to read yourself and understand it. Now next page, fill in the blanks, page number 9. Fill in the blanks is given. Fill in the blanks with appropriate articles where necessary. You have to write, you have to mention appropriate articles according to sentence where necessary, and after that prefix and suffix is given. And in first class and very beginning class you have studied prefix and suffix. This is the part of affix, and you have to write it and make it from book, just like given the word, and try to understand it, and how you will use and how you can write prefix and add prefix in the word. Okay, so this is the criteria you have to understand, and nothing is more given. And writing skills, page number 11. In writing skill, in page number 11, writing skills are given, and research about how sniping, sabotage and ruthless killings are used in modern warfare. Describe how they bring about large-scale destruction of property and loss of life. Write an article to highlight the significance of peace talks and other peace missions around the world that focus on human values to establish harmony and rid the society of immoral elements. Do this activity with the help of your teacher. You may also go to library and research on the internet for writing this article. Okay, so you have to try, but it is not in your course. So this matter depends on you, and you can do or not in upper class. That means in class 10 you will have to learn how to write article. Clear? Now in next day, in next class, we shall read Lake Issel of Innisfree, and which is composed by William Butler Yeats. So you will have to, firstly you will have to write the question answer and write summary of chapter number 1, Sniper, and in next class I will teach you Lake Issel of Innisfree. So you will have to read it also. In 2 class it will finish. So firstly you will have to read yourself and know about the poet William Butler Yeats. Okay, thanks.